Now I'm going to show you how to multiply any two polynomials, as in any two many numbers. So it can be a binomial with a polynomial, or or it could be a monomial with a polynomial. Any form like that, you can be able to multiply. This, we're going to use the distributive law or distributive property. So we're going to do like we did in the last one. We multiply two binomials. We're going to use the distributive property. So let's start off. We have p plus 2 times 4, or p to the 4th power, minus 2p squared plus 3. So what we're going to do is start off with multiply everything on the right in this expression with p. So we're saying p times everything over here. So p times, I have p to the 4th. Then I bring down my sign, minus, then I have p times 2p squared. Bring down the sign. Then I have p times 3. Now I also have the second part. So I have a positive 2. And I'm multiplying that times everything on the other side as well. So I have 2, so plus 2 times p to the 4th. Bring down the sign, minus my 2 times 2p squared. And then I bring down the sign again. My 2 times 3. So now I've used everything on the left and I multiplied it with everything on the right. So now let's simplify this because this looks like a huge mess. So now I have a p and a p to the 4th. Remember, when there's no exponent on it, there's an imaginary 1. And they're like bases, so we can add them. So we have p to the 1 plus 4 minus, we have a 2 and no coefficient here, which means it's a 1. So 2 times 1, that's just 2. And then we have p to the 1st power plus p to the 2nd power, so that's 1 plus 2. Then we have our p times 3, which is just 3, because there's a little imaginary 1 here, 3. And then I have just a p there, or p to the 1st. So we just leave that p. Plus, then I have 2 times, and then the p has no coefficient, so that's just 2 times 1, which is 2. And then I have p to the 4th, nothing to combine it with, so I'll just bring that down. Minus, now I have 2 times 2p squared. 2 times 2 is 4. And then p squared doesn't have anything to combine it with, so I just bring it down. And then the last term, 2 times 3, 6. So now let's simplify what we can simplify. P to the 1 plus 4 is p to the 5th. Then I have my minus 2, and then p to the 1 plus 2, p to the 3rd, plus 3p plus 2p to the 4th minus 4p squared plus 6. Now, do we have any like terms going on? No, we do not. So what we're going to do is put this in order by the power, or the exponent. So what's the highest exponent we have in here? We have p to the 5th. So that's fine. And then, so we used that one already. And now next, after 5 comes 4. So I have plus 2p to the 4th power. So we're going in descending order. So we're going from highest to lowest exponent. So I used this one already. So now I have minus 2p to the 3rd. All set. I have a second here, a square. So it's minus 4p squared. And then I have a 3p plus 3p. And then my constant plus 6. So this right here is the result you would get when you're multiplying two polynomials together. Okay, so we have p to the fifth plus 2p to the fourth minus 2p to the third minus 4p squared plus 3p plus 6. And I put them in order in descending order, as in they're falling or going down or decreasing in power or in their exponents. All right, and that's how you multiply two polynomials.